Hello friends, welcome to Technology Fries. Hello friends, welcome to Technology Fries. In this video, I am going to talk about the free courses of Udemy, which can help you a lot. So if you are new to this channel, then you subscribe to it. So let's start the video. The first course is Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing Gold Edition. So this course is of 6.5 hours and lifetime access and with certificate of completion. It's free till 2 days. The coupon code is valid. After that you will get in, I think, 1200. So you can check the link in the description for this course. Next course is building Wix company website using Wix. So this is the course. This has only video content and it has, I think, certificate of completion you will not get in this, but you, if you know the skills, then you can definitely do good in your domain. So you have the best opportunity to learn a company's website using a Wix. That's for free. Yeah, so I don't think certificate matters. So you can apply or join this course. If you don't have a Udemy account, so you first make it, then after that you may enroll in this. Next course is our Excel analytics linear regression analysis in MS Excel. This course is has 3 hours on demand video and lifetime access. So if you are not able to give the time to this course right now, you can enroll in this, and later on in your free time you can do this, do the course. So that's it, and the certificate of completion you will get. Next course is blockchain development guide Polygon. So this is also don't have a certificate, but you can have the knowledge of blockchain development you guide Polygon. So as you know, this is the very hot and new topic for today's world, so you can apply in this. So that's it guys today for this video. We will see you in next video.